Shell and Lance are here. I'm spying on them from the sitting room. You can see Lance. And there's Shell. Did you guys unlock the door?
I don't know.
Did you?
I don't know.
Check and see.
Oh no. She saw me. She's waving. You look cute. You look really cute.
I figure I should put normal clothes on.
Well, that's why I did that too. Except my normal clothes are sweatpants still.
Ooh, this looks good.
Yeah. I put some stackies there. You can just move it over.
Fancy cloudy.
Oh, that's okay.
Twice.
Wait, Dad, what did you say?
My hands are ready to go around her twice.
Why?
She's getting very slim.
I've been living in kurtas for a week, so.
Yeah.
Her kurta?
Wool kurta.
She got this wool lounge set, and when she put it on, I was like, "You going to press?"
She's like, okay, Gomer.
Oh yeah, and then Lance said that. Lance was like, "Is there prayers I don't know about?" Because it's long in the front. It looks like a kurta.
Oh, okay. Well, I have a gift for you, so maybe you can open it now. Let's see.
Sure.
What about the sweater?
What's that? Oh, I'll bring it down after.
Wait. Hold on.
Oh, Mom's phone.
This way. Hey, you guys come check it out. Open it up.
What? What? What is it? Should I open this?
Show you. It's for you. Open it.
Okay.
Mom.
What is this?
I don't know, Trini. I come with you.
I don't know too.
Oh, no!
Yeah? No way. Look at that. Congratulations.
You guys are gonna be grandparents.
No crying.
No crying. Dad, no crying. You gotta be strong.
No, he
No,
doesn't have
he
to.
can cry.
He can cry if he wants to.
This is fine.
We have to tell him we need your tour.
You have to take a picture with it. With Lance.
You can take it out.
Okay.
Is there a little thing underneath it?
Sort of. No.
No? Oh,
No.
here, I'll get it.
Oh,
You want
a stand?
You gotta stand there.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Let me just stop it for a second. Let's see. Actually, turn. Let's see.
It's heavy, so. Can you see it? Should I hold it higher?
Yeah, so I can see it.
I'm gonna bring mine from downstairs.
Oh boy.
The fancy one.
Ooh.
Dirt.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I have stuff. This is for you, Shell. And this is for Mom and Dad. It's a board. And I brought party stuff. And party hats.
What's it called?
Oh.
Wrapping.
And a card for
And
you and
Sanji's.
Lance.
I'm saying.
Yes,
That's what
Angie.
she got. Mom, we got a dress up. Mom, we got a picture. Mom, we gotta make snacks. And I'm saying, oh.
And then Dad, you can help me.
Okay, let's take a picture.
Okay, sure. That's so cute. All right. I need a better backdrop, but okay. No. That's good there. Stay there.
Come this way.
Stay there.
I
Okay.
think I have this,
Cheese.
right? Oh.
Cheese. Do you guys want to open those?
Is that for us?
Yes.
Yeah, one for you, and one for you, and one for Shell. Shell, you can open yours too at the same time.
Wow.
It's nothing great. It's just something.
I know we did it really fast too, so it's
I know, and nothing's opened.
Oh, okay, alright. No problem.
What does it say? Do you want me to?
Only the best moms get promoted to grandma. I have to use this glasses I didn't have here.
Dad?
It's the same thing. The only best dads get promoted to grandpa.
Okay. Oh, and my mom had something for you, but it wasn't. She didn't know anything like this. She just had something for you.
Oh, no, it's okay.
No, take off your shirt, babe.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Oh, Mom, you got to see his.
excited.
Okay, I don't know where to look. You guys are on opposite ends.
Over here.
It's really difficult.
Ooh. Sorry. Oh, no.
No. She wanted this kaftan.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at
Baby daddy. Aww.
Yeah.
it. That's
Forgot all
cute.
about this.
It's so cute. So you guys are just gonna call Uncle Ravi now? Well, we just called Sanjeev, but no, I think he's working or something. I don't know. So.
Here, yeah, hold on a second. I want to show you something.
Did you read it? Yeah.
Yeah, seriously, look.
That's me. I'm Bae. Best auntie ever. Oh, I think that's so cute that this bottle is, it's actually the last one.
Yes.
It's the last one from your wedding.
Your wedding. This
Yeah.
one.
This is super appropriate.
Yeah.
I can't wait
It is.
to drink so much of it. I'm so excited.
Not much, man. What's going on?
Showing the cake.
Just chilling with the bird?
There's Sanjeev.
So, Shell and I want to show you something. Ready? Well, here's Shell.
Okay. I'm with mom and dad and Nell and everything, and I've been pretty sick.
Baby daddy,
And she's your
baby mama.
woo.
This dress I wore when I was having Shell, Nels, Sanjeev, and even when they were having Alana, she wore it. So this is the traditional.
Right. It fits. It's perfect. I knew it would fit.
Yeah, even it buttoned.
Oh, it's cute. Oh, that's cute.
You hold my hand.
You're cutting it.
I feel like it's gonna fall. Yeah.
All right.
Sound from the
Alright,
inside.
just to make sure you keep this nicely for the other cake we're gonna have later on.
Down. So we're done.
Okay, that's good.
No, that's water.